This is Dr. again, and we are going to make today the drafting of this part that we have seen already, and we are going to make the three draftings actually. So start mechanical design, and we go to drafting. So we choose portrait and A4 document. And we go to edit, sheet background, and we choose the sample number 1, apply, and we come here to this text, okay? Final exam 2020, 2021, and we put here the name of subject, catia, and here we call it part 1, P1. So once it is done, we click on sheet 1, and we save it as D1 final exam. So going back to our folder, we duplicate D1 into 3 copies. So not 4 but 3 copies. Okay, so 3 copies. This one I'm going to call it D2, and the last one assembly. So again we come to D2 and we rename from edits the name of the paper. P2. Double click on sheet 1 and we save it. Again we come to assembly and we load edit background, double click on the name, assembly. Okay, double click on sheet 1, save, and now it is done. Now we go back to D1, and we should load part number 1. So as you see here, this is the details of part number 1. We minimize it like this, and we come right here and we say that we want front view. Front view will be from this space right here. Okay. We are going to rotate it into this direction like this until we get this configuration. And we put the text right here. So here we are going to put some dimensions, this radius, and this radius right here, this radius again, and the distance from this dot to this dot, which is 50, and this length. So again, from between this circle and this circle, distance is 50, and it is done, and we delete this detail, we don't need it. So this is what we have done right here, and we click on the cut view, double click, and we put it right here. The same thing, section view is right here, the text on the right, and we put these dimensions 20 and 10. Double click, 10, right click, length, 10 right here, and 20 right here. So once it is done, you save it, and you save it as PDF file, save as PDF, and you call it D1. in your folder you are going to see the PDFs. So next is we should open the second part, file T2, and we open also part number 2. So this is part number 2. This is the front view, and we minimize this one like this. We come to the drawing and we select front view from here. We select this face right here, and after that we can turn it like this, a little bit like this, and to get this configuration, click. We put the text right here, front view. The cutted view will be like this, from the center here. I click. So this is cutted view right here, section view, and we put the top view right here. So the projection view will be like this, projection, like this. So again, we put some dimensions actually that we need: 20, 10, sorry, 5, 10, 5 right here, 10, and this one again, 30, and the distance right here between these two circles. And we put also this distance right here. Lens, and this one also. Once it is done, you save it, and you save as PDF. I save as PDF like this, T2. So now you have two PDFs. Now the last step, which is the assembly. So this is the assembly, and this is the cut product of the assembly. So again, the front view. So we minimize this one. Front view. We pick it from here, and we flip it again like this. So this is our front view. The text is on the right, and the bottom view, which is a projection actually. So this one is bigger than the paper property. We choose it 1:3, smaller than the paper, and we can put the dimensions right here. So again, we drag this one up, and we drag this one down, a little bit down, to put enough space. And we can put some angles. This angle right here. Angle 120, and between this side and this side 124. And we drag it a little bit up, and this one a little bit down to avoid clash between text, and we go to the isometric view. We are going to pick it from here. So we can flip it again like this, and again, until we get a clear position. So it will fit right here, but it's bigger than the paper. So this is the isometric view, and we save everything. File save as PDF. Assembly. And this is our PDF of the assembly.